Hello everyone, in front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first open your phone gallery, then select the contact that you want to personalize and select Edit. Now click on Add Photo, and now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery, however you like. Let me add some random one. You can customize photo however you like. You can zoom it in, out, rotate it. So let me do something like this. Tap on Save and click on Save at the top of the list to apply the change. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.